Hi everybody, John Locke here, and I've got something I'm so excited to open today. This comes from Zipperhead Lockpicking. He's a pretty small channel. I think I just checked, he only has 19 subscribers. Look, I put a link up there to his channel. Go ahead and subscribe because he is put together something really awesome, and I'm honored to be the first recipient of this package. He's put together a Passaround box with locks for Europe coming from the United States. These are locks, we can't get here easily or expensive to get shipped here. And he created this Passaround box. I was the winner of his drawing to get the first one. And he sent over, I believe, 11 locks. You can see he paid a bit of money to get it here. And I'm super grateful for it. And I'm really excited to open it up and take a look. So package did get a little destroyed on its way here. I don't know what happens with international shipping, but I'll put it in a new box and make sure that when it goes back out that it is in good shape. Not too worried about cutting the box here and stuff because a new one's needed. All right, looks like we've got quite a lot of nice stuff inside. Let's take a look. All nicely packaged. Looks like everything is doing okay. First up, we have a American 1100. This is nice. I know that in his video he mentioned that there is an extra pin in there, so you might not be apparent from the key, but on the 1100s you can put one more pin and get it with the tip. So he did give that hint. It's not a challenge lock or trying to be tricky, just trying to make it a little more interesting for us. So that's great. A really nice lock. The 1100s are basically a lock that I think everybody thinks of when they think of locks that you can get in the United States, and it's a classic for sure. Next, we've got a Brinks laminated padlock. It's quite nice. It's beefy. It's a bit heavy. And I've never picked a Brinks before. Has a nice keyway. Boron steel shackle. Cool. So I'm looking forward to picking this one. Definitely don't see those around here. Okay, next one is an American combo lock. He said that he does not know the combination for this one, so we don't have a combo. I don't know how. He also said he has no idea how to decode these, if they can be decoded. I don't either. I don't know a lot about American combo locks, but I'm guessing that this one can be picked also, or he even said that it can be picked. So I'm going to try picking it for sure. Maybe I'll try decoding it. I'm looking forward to this one too. I remember this one from his video, and it is it's another Brinks. It's a disc style lock. It's working nicely. I've actually never even picked a disc style lock before, let alone a Brinks. So that's one I'm looking forward to playing with too. Cool. Next, this is a Kwikset smart key lock, and he actually sent a few different keys to go along with it, different profiles. Okay, that one doesn't look like it's working. That's just a faceplate. That key set must not be the key that it's programmed to. Okay, there it goes. And so, yeah, if you don't know how these keys work, just as a quick FYI, rotate it 90 degrees, use the tool, put it in here, pull out the key, put it in the other key, turn it back, the key that you want to turn it back, pull it out, and now it should be bitted for that key. So yeah, you can practice with a couple different keys here. I'll have to take a look. I might have another couple Kwikset keys if I do, that are duplicates. If I do, I'll put those on the key ring here. I'll only do them if they're factory cut because I don't want to put some of the ones that I've cut myself. Just don't want to mess up anything in there because my cuts are sloppy. All right, very cool. Looking forward to that. I don't have, I've never picked this before. Want to give it a try, so that's exciting. The next, it's he also mentioned that, I don't know if you knew what brand it was, but it is an SFIC lock. He said he does not have the keys for this, but he has picked it to control. He has picked it to shear before. I've tried picking a couple of SFICs before. I have some high security ones from Mako. They're quite difficult. Haven't been able to get those open yet. So I'm looking forward to giving that one a try. And I'll see if I can get a video of that one. That's really great. Next. It is a Paclock 90A Pro. And despite what you may have heard from Reddit or whatever, the 200K club, there are still patches available here in Europe. Vitsonia's got them, so if you haven't joined the 200K club yet, this could be your chance. I am a 200K club member. I've got an open on a couple 200Ks. This one has some decent bidding on it. I might give this a shot. I'm not going to spend a ton of time personally on this lock, just because I've opened several of them before. I'll give this one a shot, and if I can get it open, that would be great. Love this color, my favorite color, green, but I'm sure that a lot of people will be really happy to get their hands on one of these here because it's expensive. They're not available. It's really expensive to get them shipped to Europe. Next one up. It's another American, but it's a 5200. Oh, it's quite nice. I've never picked a 5200 before. It's got this, I think it's a five pin lock. I'm quite excited to give that one a try. That one's one I'm really hoping to put a video out on. Thank you very much. Next one in the Passaround box. It's like this never ends. This is turning to be, we're already at 8 minutes in this video, almost 9 minutes in this video. It's incredible. Another 1100. So there are two 1100s in this one. I believe that this one does not have the extra pin. I actually don't remember if he said anything about this one having an extra pin or not. Maybe I'll take a look inside. Again, I've picked the 1100 before, so I'll give it a shot, but I might not spend a ton of time on this one. But what a beautiful lock. Look at it. It's great. Okay, we got a little Schlage kick cylinder here. And let's see, can I get the key out? That key's a little stuck at the moment. Ah, there we go. This one, he said on his video that he wasn't sure what was inside of it, but that if it was all standards, that he would put some regular security pins in it, spools or serrateds or mushrooms, you know, some stock security pins, not a challenge lock or anything, and give us all a chance to try a SC1 keyway. Very nice. I'm looking forward to taking a look inside of that. If you are familiar with any of the Sparrows practice locks or anything like that, they do use the SC1 keyway as well. So you might be familiar with that keyway. And yeah, it'll be a fun little pick. I think that one won't be so difficult. So I'm going to give that one a shot here in a little bit after I'm done with this video. And last, but certainly not least, looks like another laminated padlock, US Commando lock. Says USA on the top there. And the key says Skillcraft. I don't know much about this lock, but I'm looking forward to picking it. I don't know it. And definitely something I've never seen in Europe. So looking forward to giving that a pick as well. Looks like there's a little note on the bottom here. Let me, okay, I think I can share this. Says, howdy from Texas. Thanks for entering into the Passaround Box. Congratulations on winning. Just a few things I'd like to ask. If you have any of the following, please show me some support. YouTube, Zipperhead, lockpicking. I'll put that right up there. It's in the channel description of this video. I'll put all of this in the video description as well. It looks like he has a TikTok at Zipperhead lockpicking, and on Reddit, he's Confident Mushroom 42. It says, if you happen to create content and include any locks out of the box, all I ask is a shout out. Absolutely. Lastly, some feedback. Did you have any challenges? What was the level of difficulties with these common locks in America? Any other locks you might want to see in the next box? Please enjoy these locks. Are they from my own collection? Once you have enjoyed them, I just ask you pass it along to a fellow lockpicker with this letter included so we can continue to enjoy the love of lockpicking together. Happy picking, Zipperhead lockpicking. Well, Zipperhead, thank you very much. In addition to that, Zipperhead and I have been talking back and forth, and we agreed to some other kind of conditions as well for this Passaround box. So on this Passaround box, I'm going to put together a logbook. So there'll be also included with the next person that gets this Passaround box, there'll be a logbook included. Please keep the logbook with the Passaround box in there. Everybody who gets the box should put their name and the list of all the locks from this collection that they were able to pick in there, and the date that they got the box. Second is you should keep this box for a maximum of 60 days. The idea here is that we want to get the box around to as many people as possible. It's a lot of locks, so we want to give some time to enjoy the locks, to have fun picking them, but also make it possible for a lot of people to enjoy this this box of American locks and keep the joy, spread it around to a lot of members of the community. That way, if we do 2 months, at least 6 people a year should be able to get this box. And indeed, I will make sure to get this box out within 60 days of today. Next condition is that if you accept this box, you also accept the responsibility of getting it to the next person. So that means that if you ask for this box, you're committing also to getting it to the next person within 60 days. And that also means paying shipping costs to get it to the next person. So when I get this to the next person, I'll pay for shipping, and please just pay that forward and pay for shipping to the next person down the line when you get this box. I have to say that it is quite heavy. I weighed it in at just under 2.5 kilos in this box without the logbook and everything else. So it's going to be in that area. So that's it. All right. So I am so excited to have these locks, but I'm also excited to get them out there in the community. I forgot one thing. Also, it has to stay in Europe. It's a Europe Passaround box. So whoever you send it to has to be in Europe. Please keep the Passaround box in Europe. That's one of the conditions as well. I'll put all the rules in the logbook. I'll put this letter in the logbook. So they're all there. And yeah, I want to get this out to the next person as quickly as possible. I'm going to spend some time enjoying these locks. I don't know what my schedule will be like, but hopefully I can get them all open in less than 60 days. I think I can. And when I do that, I'll be sending it on to the next person in Europe. If you're in Europe and you would like to be on the list for people to get this next, just put a comment on this video. Just write a comment indicating that you're interested in the box. So you can leave a comment if you're not interested, but if you if you want to say something else, but just write a comment specifically saying that you would like to be included in the drawing for this next box. And within 60 days, maybe sooner, so don't delay, I will do a drawing for the next person based on whoever put comments on this video, and I'll do it at random, and then I'll get this to the next person in Europe. So yeah, think that's it. Some great locks. I can just show them all one more time. We've got the Brinks, we've got the other Brinks, the Brinks disc, we've got the American Combo, we've got the Quick Set Smart Key, we've got this Commando laminated, we've got the Schlage kick cylinder, we've got the Packlock 90A Pro, we've got an American 1100, we've got an American 5200, we've got another American 1100. I think they're both the same keyway, yep. And we also have the standard format interchangeable core lock here as well. Lots of great stuff in this Passaround box. Super thank you one more time to Zipperhead lock picking. And yeah, I think that's it. Guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day, a great rest of your week, and I look forward to seeing you in my upcoming videos about picking these locks, and good luck to all those that are participating in the draw. Bye for now.